We are CANVAS HiFi. We are based in Denmark. Danish design, Danish craftsmanship, Danish sound. And we made this new concept, CANVAS HiFi. We made this system to be able to merge together your sound and hi-fi quality to merge together with your TV in one seamless design. Well, the beginning of this journey was actually that I have been selling soundbars in aluminium and plastic for years and years and generation. And with all these small tweeters sticking out to the side, trying to do some wannabe surround sound. But what's actually happening in our industry, we get further and further away from that sound that really touches you and gets under your skin. And that's what we're bringing back to the table with this one. We choose SB Acoustics, top of the line, really high-end speakers, combined it with Bark 3D technology, that is a new technology that basically makes a huge sound space, even though the speakers are relatively close together. You get this huge sound space while watching movies or listening to music. That is mind-blowing.
This is the CANVAS Original. It fits every kind and model of TV and every sizes all the way up to 85 inches. And we can customize it up to 98 inches. It's always the same speaker, but we change the grill so it's different lengths, and you can choose different fabrics for the grill and different wood materials. So we have some really beautiful wood fronts in oak, mahogany and walnut, and we have a lot of different nice colors of VIP fabric from Danish Kvadrat. So you can choose fully between it and everything fits together. We have made a collaboration together with Danish Carsten Beck, who is a famous artist that has made analog artwork for our speaker grills, and he has also made really beautiful artwork for the TV, digital artwork. You can combine it together so it's a really beautiful artwork set up in your living room or in your office. We also have a Löwe version of our CANVAS, which fits direct to the Löwe TV with the Löwe eye, where we have made and cut out for the Löwe eyes, so it's perfect fitting together in a seamless, beautiful design.
We also made this adjustable bracket. This is pretty unique because actually it fits any TV, any size, any brand. You just connect your TV, you calibrate it, the depth of the TV so it goes flush with the sound bar, and then you put a front on the system that matches the size of the TV, and you get it all to go connect together in one seamless design. We also made it very smart with the bracket. The wall bracket is a hybrid wall bracket and a floor stand. You flip it around, it becomes a wall bracket. You flip it around, it becomes a floor stand. That is good now, but in years to come, it's even better because you always, in 10 years, it's flexible where to place it, and you'll be able to move it around so it always fits. It's also a technique room. So all your installations, you just put away in the bracket. So if you have an Apple TV or router or your cable cluttering, it goes seamlessly away in the bracket and everything looks smooth and nice.
Together with Samsung, we have made this really beautiful, the HiFi frame. It comes in different designs. It comes in aluminium, comes in black, comes in light oak wood also. It fits several different of the top model TVs, so it's really flexible, and it has a really beautiful design you can add on with all our different front covers, so you can use it both together with a wood front, and you can use it together also with the fabric fronts. We also have a solution for professional environments and video calls for conference meetings and rooms, where you can add on whatever camera you would like to do. The system is flexible both for small cameras and big cameras.
We're also very much aware that making it fit any TV, any brand, any size now and in the future. We wanted to get away from that throwaway culture of electronics we have in our business, knowing that when you have drivers in a high quality, they'll play good now, they'll play even better after a while. In 20 years it still plays good, but having this flexibility with the TV, we know that generation after generation of TV, we will be able to click that on so this will be a sustainable solution.
You can also use our speaker solo without the TV on. So you can use it as a music player in your living room or in your kitchen. You can also add it on to your projector screens in your home cinema or in your professional use or meeting rooms.
Creating a hi-fi soundbar is all about musicality, understanding what makes music tick for us people. And that's a big part of our job, and especially my job, is to create a speaker that is very versatile, but always remains very musical. So it's all about getting the basic structure of instrument just right. That makes your brain relax and you really will enjoy music, you will feel it. What we do, we now added another sound tuning to our canvas, which we call the organic sound tuning. We set our canvas up in a normal living room environment and disregarded measurements from the anechoic chamber and instead used both measurements in room but also our ears, or should I say first and foremost our ears, which means that we are more focused on getting the nuances to sound just right on all instruments. And this way we create a sound that is, to me, more close to how instruments sound in real life, making the whole musical experience so much better. But of course we also kept the old sound tuning, which is also loved by many. You can just simply choose between them. We also added another feature. So when you change the front cover on your canvas, you can now also adjust for this, choose it inside the app to make sure that no matter what kind of front cover you choose, you can equalize the sound to match it, so that no matter how you want your soundbar to look, it will always sound the same. So we really tried our best to think of everything and get the best possible sound in every single position or situation for the speaker.